Be sure to read and fully understand this document before installing and operating your Stazz product. Failure to do so can result in item failure, property damage, or serious injury. Item failure, injury, or property damage due to improper installation is not covered by warranty. Using 2 people, lower the lift into position and mark the hole patterns. Secure the frame with screws. Next, test the drop speed and adjust using the speed adjustment knobs on either side.